What if you could burn 200 to 500 calories a day without the gym, without sweat, and without extra time? Stay with me because this daily habit is a game changer most people ignore. Most of us think that in order to get the benefits of exercise, we have to do focused workouts, and there is a recommendation of getting at minimum 150 minutes a week of exercise just for general good health, weight maintenance, but the 15 to 30% majority of calories burned from exercise is from what we call NEAT, which stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is basically the calories that you burn through the day from everyday movement that isn't eating, sleeping, or working out. It's actually NEAT that plays more of a role in weight loss than formal exercise. Formal exercise plays a bigger role in maintenance. It's your body's background calorie burner. Walking to your car, folding laundry, pacing while you're on the phone, even fidgeting at your desk. Here's the kicker. Some people naturally burn up to 800 more calories a day than others just through NEAT. That's like sneaking in an extra workout without even scheduling one. So why does NEAT matter? It's not just about the calories, but being more active through the day can have many benefits. Number one, it's a metabolic boost. You can burn 200 to 800 calories, and that adds up to losing at least a pound every 1 to 2 weeks. Number two, blood sugar balance. Movement turns muscles into glucose sponges, reducing energy crashes and craving. Number three is stress relief. Frequent micro movements lower cortisol and make you feel more relaxed. And number four, brain power. When you are up and active and moving, you have better circulation in general, which then means sharper focus and more energy. Now, here's a fun fact. Lean people naturally move about 2.5 hours more per day through NEAT compared to people who struggle with weight. The difference is willpower, it's movement habits. Here's your daily habit challenge. I want you to pick 1, 2, or 3 NEAT activities that you can be aware of during your day. So some examples are parking further away. You may have heard of this one. You can climb the stairs instead of taking the elevator or escalator. If you're on the phone, just get up and walk around and pace around during your calls. When you're on your Zoom meetings, you can march in place or get a desk treadmill or elliptical. Keep your water bottle further away so you have to get up and walk extra steps to get it. The possibilities are endless, so I bet you can think of many more than what I just mentioned. Now, if you really want to make it stick, use something called habit stacking. This is where you take one habit and you stack it with the habit that you're already doing. So, for example, march in place while you're brushing your teeth. Most people brush their teeth every morning. So add marching, and that's called habit stacking. Try to add NEAT throughout the day, and as many as you can. It all adds up. And over time, you will start to improve your health, feel more energetic, you'll sleep better, because the more movement you do in your life, the better your health. I hope you are liking these daily habits. If you are, leave a thumbs up in the comments below so I know to keep doing these. If you're listening to the podcast, do me a favor and leave a review on how you're liking these daily habits. That helps other people to discover my podcast, and they can learn from these daily habits as well. Please follow or subscribe. Thanks for listening or watching, and have a fantastic day.